Hey everybody, it's Twiggy. Sorry I look so funny. I just kind of woke up from a nap. I had a crazy week and kind of a crazy day today, so I'm a little sleepy. I have a haul for you. It is not Bath and Body Works. I actually do have a Bath and Body Works haul. I do want a haul for you. I just don't have it today because I didn't gather all the stuff I need to film it. So, I did go to the mall, because my birthday is coming up not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So I decided to, I guess, go shopping, and I drove myself to the mall, and if you guys know me, that's a big accomplishment, because I hate freeway driving. Did not drive on the freeway, found the back ways to get there, almost ended up on the freeway because I almost ended up, getting on that freeway on-ramp. Long story short, I made it to the mall in one piece. Went shopping, got everything I needed, and came home. So, I'm going to shoot this quickly because I have to put this stuff away before said significant other gets home. Ooh, yawning. Okay, so without further ado, here's my Barnes & Nobles. We'll go through this quick. I got some books. I never read any of these, so I'm hoping they're good. I just kind of bought them on a blind whim. This one said, "Did I mention I need you?" And then this one is, "Did I mention I love you? Just don't mention it." And then I got this one that says, "Dare to Fall." And then I also got "Love and Other Detours." It sounded kind of interesting. I kind of generally read through some of the stuff. I don't know if it's going to be any good, but decided to try. Then I have this bag, which is my Hollister. Which I got this shirt, which I'm pretty sure will fit me. It's a extra large, so I just gotta not shrink it when I wash it, because I have a tendency to shrink when I wash. And then I got this one, which is the ombre style with the 3 different colors. That is, it was only $12.99. Apparently it was on sale. So that's kind of cute. And that's just regular Hollister shirt. This is the stuff I was really excited about. I spent way more money than I thought I was going to in that store. Way more. But I forgot tax was outrageous. I went to the Buckle, which I haven't shopped at for a long time. And I got some military support shirts. I don't really talk about my family members, but I have a cousin who is a Marine, and I kind of saw some shirts, and they made me think of him, so I got some shirts. They're all men's shirts, but I wear them as everyday shirts. So I got this one, and then it says that on the back. So, yeah. And then it says, "This flag will defend." So I got that one. Then I got it basically the same shirt in gray, because, gotta support the cuz. He would probably make fun of me if I called him that while online, but this one says, "Don't Tread on Me." There's actually a country song by, I want to say, Eric Church that's "Don't Tread on Me," I think. Don't quote me. I don't know if it's Eric Church, but there is a country singer that sings a song that says "Don't Tread on Me." It's a really awesome shirt. It's got the American flag on it. on the sleeve. So, yeah. Just got some cute shirts. So, that's really all my haul. I don't have much. I just wanted to show you guys what I did today. This was kind of like a pick-me-up because I had some plans with somebody and they fell through, and I was like super disappointed. So this was kind of my way of like cheering myself up. And then I went to the coffee shop, got myself some yummy coffee, and then I went to this really awesome French bakery here and got myself chocolate croissants. Oh my god, so good. And it actually was like a special name. It's like, I can't pronounce it. The lady that speaks French said it. It was really awesome. It was yummy. But yeah, so that's really it. Love you guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. Sorry this was a quick video, but like I said, I just want to hurry up, clean, and finish cleaning the house because I kind of did a lazy day today. So love y'all. See you soon. Bye.